Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Hi, Lucy. Are you ready to go?
I think so. Where are we going today?
To the supermarket. My kitchen is almost empty.
Oh, then this is not a small trip.
Well, I only need a few things.
Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, milk, eggs, rice, bananas, and something else.
Something else is not very helpful on a shopping list.
I know. I wrote the list before breakfast.
A useful phrase is pick up a few things.
Pick up? Does that mean lift something with my hands?
It can, but at a store, pick up can mean get or buy something.
So I can say this, I need to pick up a few things.
Exactly. It sounds natural when you have a short shopping list. All right, your list is ready. Now we are inside the supermarket. What do you want to find first?
Milk, but this store is big.
Then ask a worker for help.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
A worker might tell you the milk is in aisle 5.
What is an aisle?
An aisle is the long space between shelves. In many stores, each aisle has a number.
Ah, so aisle 5 is one part of the store.
Right? Let us walk there.
I see the milk. And, oh, this one is cheaper.
Look at the yellow sign. This one is on sale.
On sale means the price is lower today, right?
Exactly. It usually costs more, but today it costs less.
Nice. This one is on sale, so I will get it.
Good choice. What is next on your list?
Eggs. They are right here.
Before you put them in the basket, check that none are broken.
Good idea. These look fine.
Great, we have milk and eggs. Your list also has rice and bananas.
The rice is over there. I can see it from here.
Perfect. And the bananas are near the front of the store.
This is going well. I feel very organized.
Do not celebrate yet. What was the last thing you forgot to write?
Oh, coffee. That was it.
Now your list is complete.
Wait, there are many kinds of coffee. Which one should I get?
You usually buy the small blue bag.
I do not see it.
Here's a useful question. Do you have the small blue bag of coffee in stock?
Excuse me, do you have the small blue bag of coffee in stock?
The worker says no, but the store has a brown bag that is almost the same.
Then I will try the brown bag today.
Nice. You found another choice instead of giving up.
And now I really think we have everything.
Let us check the list one more time. Milk, eggs, rice, bananas, and coffee.
Yes, that is everything on my list.
Great, we can head to the checkout.
Shopping is easier when I know what to ask.
Exactly. You do not need many words. You only need a few clear sentences at the right moment. Now listen first. You do not need to repeat yet. I need to pick up a few things. Where can I find the milk? This one is on sale. I think we have everything. Now let us practice out loud. Benji, this is for you and for everyone listening. Listen to Benji. Then say each line during the pause.
I need to pick up a few things. Where can I find the milk? This one is on sale. I think we have everything.
Nice! Now hear the whole conversation at a natural speed. What are you shopping for today?
I need to pick up a few things.
What do you need first?
Milk. I will ask a worker. Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
The worker says it is in aisle 5.
Great. Oh, this one is on sale.
Nice. Do you have everything now?
Yes, I think we have everything.
Then let us go to the checkout.
And let us not forget the coffee.
That would be a difficult morning.
Lucy, I just remembered one more thing.
What is it?
Chocolate.
Was that on the list?
No, but it is important for language learning.
I would like to see the research.
I will show you after we buy it.
Today, we made one ordinary shopping trip easier, step by step. Simple questions helped us find what we needed and keep the conversation moving.
And we found the coffee. That is a successful day.
Exactly. So before we go, we have one question for everyone listening. What is one thing you often pick up at the supermarket? Milk, fruit, coffee, or something else?
Chocolate is also a possible answer.
Tell us in the comments. We would love to read them and cheer for you.
Bye, everyone.
Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.